Hey guys, so I am here at Superstore because I need to get something from. I'm gonna be making Leche Flan, and it's just like a Filipino dessert thing. So I'm literally here at Superstore and I'm getting all the stuff that I need. You guys like this video because a lot of people really do like how I make my Leche Flan. So I'll see you guys inside. I'm gonna get some coconut water.
I said coconut water, not coke and water.
Because my sister wants coconut water. So I'm just gonna get a lot because girl, she likes it. So I'm gonna be getting the condensed milk, and then you need the evaporated milk as well. These two right here. Hey guys, so sorry that I haven't been uploading for so long, and today I am gonna be making Leche Flan. It's like a Filipino dessert, and I'll show you how I make my Leche Flan. A lot of people really like my Leche Flan, so here it goes. I'll show you guys how to make it. And yeah. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. You guys want to know how to make Leche Flan. So here goes. You will need 10 eggs, evaporated milk and condensed milk, vanilla extract, sugar, a big bowl and a measuring cup, aluminum foil and an empty bottle. Lastly, a Leche Flan pan. Hey guys, so this is what you need is a bowl, and you need to get a separate container to put on the egg, and you would need 10 eggs, and you would need a bottle to separate the eggs. Okay, so when you're cracking your egg, make sure the yolk a whole so it's easier for you to separate with the bottle. So you're basically just gonna be separating the yolk from the white. So you're just gonna crack it, and there you go. And you should have like a whole egg yolk on there. And then all you gotta do, really good technique, take out some air from the bottle, and then you release your hand once you get the yolk, and then leave all the other white yolk inside here and just drop it in, and here goes. It was one and 9 other ones. You do the rest. So yeah. Once you get all that done, now you can mix it all together. 1 can of condensed milk, and you can just put it in. Then you can just remove all the condensed milk from the can. You continue with the evaporated milk and just all pour it in 1 can of it. And then once you put all the condensed milk and the evaporated milk, you will need vanilla extract and just a little drop of it. Just a little bit more. Yeah, that's good. Once you drop the vanilla extract, you would want to stir it up. And you will know it will be ready once it bubbles up like that. Okay, and then it's all done. So once you've already made like the batter for the Leche Flan, you would need the Leche Flan, what is this called? Like container type thing, like the pan. So you're basically gonna be cooking with this. You turn on your stove and a medium heat. Turn it on in a medium heat and wait until it gets hot. And yeah, you would need some sugar. I have like a 1 cup of measuring cup. So I put a little bit of sugar in the 1 cup, just about this much, because for me, I really like my Leche Flan really sweet, so yeah. So what the sugar does is it's basically like the caramel of your Leche Flan. You're gonna be melting the sugar, the pan. Okay. So I'm gonna demonstrate you guys how I melt my sugar and when to know when to stop and stuff like that. So yeah. So once it's in medium heat, you want to put your pan on there and make sure you have a tongs because you wouldn't be touching it yourself. Get hot really fast. So you would want to put the sugar in the Leche Flan pan. So I put it in just like so. So you can just shake it up. And if you think like it fills up, the sugar fills up the whole entire pan, then you're good to go. So you just basically have to wait till it melts down in the pan. And once it melts down, then it turns a little bit brown. And once it turns brown, then you put in the salt. As you can see, there's the sugar turning brown. And just shake it so it doesn't burn. Then once it turns brown, that's how you know the sugar is ready. So that's basically what the sugar does. Once it melts down, that's basically the caramel of the Leche Flan. Okay, just wait till it all melts down. Just a reminder, this is really sticky, and once it actually like cools off on your tongue or anything, it'll be hard to come off. So this is actually ready to go, and you can just leave it on the side. Yeah, just like that. Just leave it on the side. And for you to know that the sugar is ready, once it's cool off, it would start cracking. So it would make like a cracking noise. And so, and once it cracks, it means it's ready. As you can see, it's starting to crack. And I know you can see a little bit of the sugar, but that's fine because you're gonna steam it and it's gonna melt itself anyways. And once you hear the cracking noise, that's how you know it's ready. So this is the result of the cracking, and once it's already cracked, then you can put in the batter here's the batter, and all you're just gonna do is scoop and then put it in. So I'm gonna be grabbing a half cup and I'm gonna be scooping it on in there. This is 1 scoop. So I actually made 2, so I evened it out. So I just did 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So yeah, you get the point. What you do now is you get the tin foil. So you get a tin foil and you're just basically going to be covering it. Just like that. You just cover it. So you would need a steamer. And so since you were heating up all the sugar, you can just leave the stove on and put the steamer on there. And so I already added some water inside there, so I'm just gonna wait till it heats up. So once you've already covered by tin foil, all you're just gonna do is put it on top of your steamer. I just put it on top of each other because there's not that much room. So you're gonna have it in medium heat again, and then just cover it and let it sit for 45 minutes. Yeah. So I'm just gonna be cleaning now, so yeah. Hey guys, so sorry about me not uploading so much videos for the past month, I think, or 2 months, because I've been really busy. And yeah, so yeah, I hope you guys like the video, and I hope you guys like what I'm gonna be teaching you guys. So yeah, and yeah, I know it kind of sounds like really echoey because I'm in the washroom, and the washroom is the only good lighting in my house, so
Okay.
So I put down the heat a little bit, so I made it at 4, and then it's still going. So yeah. So once it's done, it's already been 45 minutes. You can just take it off, leave it on the counter, and let it cool down. So you're just gonna like take it off from the steamer. It's really hot. So I'm just gonna open it a little bit and let you guys see how it looks like. It smells so good. And yeah, so we're just gonna let that sit for at least 10 minutes and just let that cool down a little bit. And also you can just put it in the fridge if you want. And stuff like that, just to make it cool down a bit. But yeah, I'm just gonna leave it there for now. Hey guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, so see you guys soon. Bye.